Welcome. Today we got the Korean Ruler of the Black Flame booster box. We're gonna unbox it right now. It's sealed. Just came in the mail from Korea. Let's go. I could edit this out.
Screwball corner, you got the pocket, the 8-ball.
I can edit that out.
Yeah. Camera's like swivel thing is kind of cool.
Trippy, huh? Alright. Here we go, dude. Oh, yes. Look at that, dude. Korean. Look at that. Korean. How many boosters we got in there? Booster packs. We got quite a few. Quite a few. Will we get a Charizard in here? That's the question. That's the ultimate question. Will we get a Charizard? Let me get the scissors. Alright, here we go. Oh. There's a rip tab on there. Fuck it, just cut it. Come on, buddy. Alright, what do we got here? So, don't remember what that one is. This little guy. This little guy. That little guy. Ooh, look at him. Very nice. Let's go. Very excited. Very excited. That's electric. I don't even know what that card is. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got here? Oh, another one of them. Oh, a little gloom. Okay. Okay, flamingo. Nice. Let's go. Got the Korean version. Alright, got another booster pack here. We got the translator coming up. I don't know what these are. Oh yeah, look at that one.
I'm gonna go through the translator or put them side to side.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Kogami.
Kagome.
And it's pretty wild.
That must be like a Japanese name. I don't think that's the American name of it.
That's what the English one said.
A sharp. Let's look at that. Boom, yes. Trainer card. Supporter card. Let's go.
Arco, it says.
Holographic Arco.
And well, the holographic, let's see that.
Yes.
Tessa.
Holographic Tessa, dude. Nice one.
Nice. Yeah, it just needs a few seconds for the readout.
Ooh, nice. That's a new one. Didn't get that one yet. Oh, yeah. Eevee, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, Espeon, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, that's like a little mind fu or something. Something like that. One of those. Alright, dude, choke booster packs, dude. How many we got? Like 30 in here?
I see 30 on the box. It's the only thing I can read.
Nice. Hopefully we get a Charizard.
Rule of Graphite. Rule of Black Flame.
Ruler, the Black Flame. Oh, nice. Got another, oh, Scyther.
Manifesting him.
Yes, what's that? Oh, shit. That looks mean.
Ooh, what's it say? Absol X.
Oh, it's an Absol EX card, yep. That's what's up.
Absol EX.
That's a nice one.
Nice.
That's a nice card right there. That was a good pull. Let's see if we have anything else. Any other good pulls?
Plenty. I think choke plenty is on the menu.
What do we got? Oh yeah. Boom. Oh, what do we got here? Beartick. And, ooh, what is that? It's Togepi's third evolution? Psychic?
Togekiss.
Togekiss, holographic, yes.
Togekiss.
Togekiss.
That's a new one.
Yes. Holographic Togekiss, dude. Let's go. Thing, nose pass, I think. Bisharp, that guy again. Let's see, town shop, I think. I think it's a town shop.
It says Village Department Store.
Oh yeah, Village Store.
Very exact words. I almost think translations even.
Come on, Charizard. What do we got? What do we got? Pidgey? Whatever that thing is. That's It's like a basilisk or some shit like that. Oh, nice. Fully evolved. Oh yeah, look at that one, dude.
Whoa.
It's like an alt art holographic. Nice. The piggy card. He's stuffed. He ate so much food he just passed right out. That's relaxed sleeping right there.
It says, what is this? What does this guy got? Hold it still. It said, come on, you had it. It's predicting some very odd language, but it had something for us. Sorry.
I'm sure everybody knows what it is. Everybody knows what it is. Oh yeah, look at that oddish. That thingy. Oh, Togepi. Korean Togepi, dude, nice. Oh yeah, look at that. The dark Eevee evolution. And one of those guys.
Pirabari.
Pure
Jiribari.
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 Oh, I still so many more. We're gonna have to take a break in a minute. Oh, Charmander! Let's go. Let's go, Charmander. We got a fucking Charizard in this one. Oh, what's good? Oh yeah, Greavard, yeah. Oh, what do we got? Oh, not a Charizard.
What is it?
It's a pepper. It's a pepper plant. I had him on my game. I don't remember his name though.
It's really good visual art.
Yeah.
I'll
Nice
just take a
holographic
picture of it.
Okay.
Scovillian.
Yeah, Scovillain, yep. Scovillain, yep. Because like Scovilles.
Oh, see, if I take a picture, it's just freeze frame.
Oh, nice.
That's pretty nice. Double tap, double type, spicy head. Skills damage does not calculate resistance.
Scovillain.
That's where we are. Shout out.
Chilling with Scovillain.
Hottest peppers in Scoville.
I had him on my Pokemon game in Scarlet Violet. Just that little electric eel. Another Scyther. Mean. Bisharp. Pokemon Stadium. Oh, what? Is that a Revavroom? Let's go. Revavroom EX. Nice.
280.
That's a good one.
It's not even in the same category of.
Yeah, that's a good card right there. Put you away. Minotaur or some shit. Oh, Pidgeot. Pidgeot. Let's go, Pidgeot EX.
What's the damage on that bugger?
Korean Pidgeot EX, 120.
I'm gonna take a translate on this.
Pidgeot.
It says Minsong Match search can be used once per turn. Select a card of your choice from the deck, add it to your hand, shuffle the deck. And then binge watching. If you wish, trash the stadium on the field.
Trash the stadium.
I don't think that's
Discard the stadium.
Yeah. Discard the stadium card on the field.
Yeah.
The translations are fun. Thanks, Google, for helping.
We got that little, that's like that little squirrel thing, chipmunk thing. No, it's like, but it's like a rabbit. That thing. This thing. Ooh, Charmeleon. Let's go.
I like it.
I got a Charmander and a Charmeleon now. Nice. Lit. Dude, it's like Christmas over here.
What? Keep it all in the zone. We got the zone. We got the COD zone.
Got this guy. He's pretty common, huh? Oh, nice. That's the same, that one card, but not holographic. Different art.
The flamingo.
Oh, this guy's a badass.
Take one. Google attempt. Strinder. Strinder. Chime in if that's accurate.
I don't know. Never seen that Pokemon before.
The tuner. The Yoon. The Yooner tuner.
And another little sick bear. I think it's a Snuffle. Ooh, a Charmander. Let's go. Ooh, we got a Scyther. Ooh, Houndoom. What else? Ooh, it's the werewolf. Yes. Not holographic. Okay.
Feeling lucky.
I'm feeling lucky, brother. That's for sure. Gotta get a Charizard, dude. There's gotta be at least one Charizard in here. Jellyfish. Electric eel. Scyther. What do we have here? That dude and ooh, I never seen him before. Evolves from a dolphin, dude. Nice. That's lit.
Whatever dolphins evolve into.
Yeah.
Dolphin Man.
Dolphin Man.
Jet Punch and Justice Kick. 210. That's a good Justice Kick, dude. I like Dolphin Man.
The kick of justice.
I gotta keep that. That's a good one.
There's the dolphin. Boom! Holy shit. That's what the bee evolves into? Holy crap, that's a badass card. The EX. Let's go. Some mean ones. Holographic. Let's go.
Bee Queen.
Bee Queen. The Bee Queen. Yes.
Recovery Pheromone.
Oh yeah. Little dinosaur dudes. Little dinosaur birds. It's like a Troxel or something. There's that bunny. Police hat. Soul Rock. That's it. Yes, little puppy. Rockruff, I think is his name. It's a Clefairy. There's the honeycomb.
Oh!
And a Ninetales, dude. Fuck yeah, that's what's up. Ooh, look at that holographic Ninetales, bro. The alt art. Let's go. Holographic Ninetales. Yes, yes, Korean Ninetales. That's what I'm talking about, broski. Yes, let's go. So stoked. Dolphin again. There's that tree guy. Jellyfish. Electric eel. Ooh, a Kangaskhan. Very nice. Korean Kangaskhan, dude. Let's go.
Getting down to the last packs here.
Korean Kangaskhan. What else we got? Pidgeotto. That little Palpitoad or whatever that thing's called. Houndour. That's that Rhyme, that's her name. This Scyther evolves into him. That's what's holographic.
Reverse hollow. That's really wild.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Full picks. Guardian Vulpix. Oh yeah, a raccoon. I don't remember his name. Oh nice, another one of them. Oh yeah, Rhyme holographic, let's go. Shoots. Oh yeah. Let's go. Holographic Rhyme. Yee! Look at that one. Look at that Charizard, dude. I know you're in here, Charizard. Another one of them. Clefairy. This thingy. Oh, another Ninetales. Let's go.
What?
Luna Rock. Lunatone. That's what it's called. What do we have here? That's Evolution of Togepi. Vavroom. He evolved into him. Oh! Charizard. Charizard. Got the Charizard. I don't know if this is the rarest Charizard in the pack. There's like 3 of them, but this is definitely a good card. I got my first Charizard, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna take good care of you, Mr. Charizard. Let's go. Charizard. EX. Let's go. Oh, I got the Charizard.
Yes,
Oh, let's go.
Yes, get him.
Yes,
You get him. Garen's Ball Barons.
Yes. I mean, cause
Did you no? Did you read it? Thing?
no.
Yeah.
What? That's wild. Hold up.
News alert.
Eevee.
Ooh.
Vulpix. That guy. That guy. Oh, that's dope, dude. What a good one.
I want to know the name.
What a good one, dude. Korean Charizard, dude. I got a Korean Charizard. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes,
Korean Charizard. Let's translate this guy. It says anti, blaze ball, and pressure.
Okay.
Okay. That was the last one.
What?
Of the pack.
Yeah.
Interesting. It's a basic Pokemon. It was the last one. No random order.
No, he was an evolution, I think.
Really? Bring it back.
Oh, you didn't take a picture of it?
No, it said basic on the picture. That's why I'm tripping.
Oh,
it's
maybe.
kind of like a Mandela effect thing.
Maybe I was wrong.
But it was the last card. Shouldn't it be a rare?
Not necessarily.
Okay. Because they're smaller packs.
Yeah. Oh, I can't believe I got a Charizard, dude. Tell you what, folks, the Korean packs got the Charizards. Be on the lookout for those Korean booster boxes. Oh yeah, look at them. Look at them. Togepi. Oh yeah. Oh what? Meme cuz. Gruff. Piggly Wiggly. Oh yeah. Wailord. Nice. A couple more. Oh yeah. Nice. Oops. Oh. Some nice alt art there. Holographic too, yeah.
And in the pile.
That's a nice little one, huh?
And the other kind, you missed
Cute.
the one.
Cute, cute, cute. That was the other one.
Is that a brick squid?
It's like a car. It's like a car Pokemon.
Sounds right.
It's like an engine block.
Oh, last pack.
That's what it is.
Last pack.
This last pack. Last pack for the Korean booster box proved out to be quite a worthy investment with that Charizard in there. It's that crystal cryogonal. Piggy. Nice. The last booster pack was a fake out. Alright, folks. Thanks for tuning in to the Ruler of the Black Flame, a Korean booster box unboxing. Have a good night. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more Pokemon videos like this. More unboxing videos. Take it easy.